My name is Marissa Romero, and this video today is about 4 qualities that I have that employers are seeking, and SMART goals, which are specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and timely. So let's move on to the 4 qualities that I have that employers seek. So my first one would be I have great communication skills, and employers look for that because they want their employees to be able to communicate to them and other employees about what they do in their job and what's happening, and if there's like a problem and whatnot, like if they ran into a problem like with their job. My second one would be I have the ability to work with groups or teams of people, which employers look for. They want their employees to be able to work with other people. They want them to be able to communicate with other people and just get along with other people. And that's what makes someone a good employee, that they're able to get along with other people, they're able to work with them. My third one would be I have leadership skills or experience, and I actually was a manager at a fast food restaurant, so I understand like the responsibility of being like a manager of a restaurant, and being able to juggle like the responsibilities of like paperwork, and then like the responsibilities of like being the manager, being like not like everyone's friend, like being the boss, and just being able to tell people like, oh, could you like do this, or could you redo your job? It's just something that I know employers are looking for, that somebody has like leadership experience, and I have that. And my fourth one would be computer skills. I have experience with Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel, YouTube, all these like different social medias and stuff, which I know may be like new to older people, and if the employer is someone a little bit that doesn't understand like computer skills, I mean, I can help them like understand, and I can help them like figure out stuff. So I know how to like work computers, I know how to like work different programs, which I know employers do seek. And now we shall move on to my SMART goals. So my first SMART goal is I learned about critical thinking in my class. So critical thinking will continue to be a part of my classes and everyday life. It'll help me with my other classes, with like test taking, writing papers, problem solving. And critical thinking obviously applies to my degree because it'll help me in the workplace when I graduate. My second one is in this class we took a few like different like tests to like learn about like certain things about us, and one of them was like what kind of like learner we are, and I learned that I'm more of a visual learner, and knowing that it'll help me exceed better in my classes, and it'll help me like it'll help me manage how to like study for my exams and like quizzes and stuff, and it'll help me adjust like how I learn in other classes. And this applies to my degree because it'll help me succeed in my other classes, since I now know how I learn. So I can make like flashcards, and like other stuff to like help me, like if it's like vocabulary, like I could write down like vocabulary on cards or like on a Word document. And my third one would be, finally, um, I've realized that things I learn in class can be related to life experiences. Material that I learn in class can help me solve problems I have in my real life. And this obviously applies to my degree because it helps prepare me for the real world.